Hey guys, Cole Winholtz Outdoors here. Finally got my last package in the mail today. This one I'm excited for. So I've been wanting to film my own hunts, and last time I bought a somewhat like a GoPro, but it was an Acaso E7000, which I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if you're gonna try to be a YouTuber or whatever, do not get that. It You could barely hear through it. It wouldn't allow an external mic, nothing, and you could only hear like this. And so it wasn't very loud at all. So yeah, my next action cam is gonna probably be a GoPro, something of some sort. Even if the older one's still better than the Acaso. Now I might try the Acaso Brave cameras. They seem to be pretty decent. So, but anyways, this is going to be part of the channel, because I'm going to use this for hunting. When you guys see it, you'll see why. Alright, so first things first. I have a 4K camcorder for hunting, especially deer hunting, because I want to try to get some deer hunting on tape this year. So I'll open it up, show you what I got, show you all that it comes with. Comes with instruction manual. Not extraction, instruction. Dang, I can't talk. Anyways, comes with a remote control. It's kind of cool. Comes with 2 batteries. I'll take one out so I can show you what kind of battery it is, just in case you guys want to get a camera like this. And if you want extra batteries. So it's what kind of battery it is. But it comes with 2. Looks like a charging port. That's what I liked about the camera. Has a little baby tripod thing, but I'm probably not going to use this, especially not for hunting. But it comes with a external mic, which I think is kind of cool. So, I mean, can't beat that. Alright, so now to the camera. I might keep this stuff in. So, I'll probably just do that. But, anyways, comes in a nice little case. It says DV Cam. This is a cheap Amazon one. I know I buy a lot of shit off Amazon. A lot of people, Amazon's not very good. But, sorry, I'm not rich like everybody else, so. Alright, so here's the camera. Looks like it has a nice little power setup. This right here moves, so if I want to take selfies, I can. These lenses come off. This is also night vision, so anything at night you can do. I thought it's kind of cool. This right up here push down and out. So then you could add your microphone on top, which I will. And then I'll show you the back of the camera. Hold on. Let me put this back on real quick. I'm not going to use this right away, but I'm going to get the batteries charged up, and whenever I use it, I'll let you guys know. Okay, so on the back right here, this has the USB. Down here, oh, and it also has like the mic thing. Down here is where you drop in the battery and the SD card. Which kind of looks like it already has one in it. It does. That's cool. Came with one. Can't beat that. So, yeah, this is what I'm going to film my hunts on, guys, and I'm going to try to get it to you in better quality than smartphone. But I haven't seen videos on this one, but whenever I looked at it, it looked like it was in pretty good shape. Like, not shape, wow. Pretty good videoing and quality. I mean, it's cheap camera. You're going to get cheap stuff, but as long as it doesn't look pixelated, I think we'll be alright. So, but anyways, guys, yeah, I'm excited to add this to the hunting collection and see what we can do. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching Cole Winholtz Outdoors. Peace.